Good morning, traders. We are trading GGP. As you can see here, this is your daily. See how GGP broke down right here. Then it consolidated on the 5-minute here. Then began to break down right up under 45. And the top of that consolidation is somewhere around .60. So that gives us anywhere between 13 and 15 cents we're looking to get. That gives us a target of .32 or .31. All right. Here you can see GGP playing around, as they often do, almost every time. And we're just waiting, as price change takes time. And we simply wait. One thing you'll note here is you can tell that we got the entry correct because of the volume. See how the volume popped up here? People beginning to sell. And it may sell, it may not. The Qs are bouncing around. The entire market is bouncing around, so we don't know what's going to happen, as with all trades. But we go with the probabilities. All right, traders, as you can see, GGP has moved a little bit, but not much. We're going to bring our stop right above this consolidation here at 23.53, and that's fine. All right. Still moving right along, but very slowly, not fast enough. All right, traders out there, GGP has gone for quite some time. We could just pick our money up, but we're going to go ahead and trail that stop to 5.2 or 5.3 and just use this as a reference video for taking a stop if this doesn't work out. We don't know what's going to happen, but it's been a long time, and theoretically GGP should be on its way down to .30, and I don't think it's hit .35 yet. That's not a good sign, and normally I just pick up my money and walk off the table with it, but just going to go ahead and sacrifice that for this particular video. But do note that normally if I had let a trade go over 20 minutes and it's not even near my target, I'd be out of there. So just keep that in mind. All right, traders, the stop is coming up here at .51. I'm going to go ahead and take the stop. Do notice that this is, okay, .51, where are you? We out of there. All right, we're out of there. Trade is over. We lost a few cents. Think we lost what? A good 7 cents. Okay. On what, 500 shares or something like that. But basically, this is the difference between the NYSE and the NASDAQ. The NASDAQ rarely ever moves that slow. The NYSE moves that slow all the time. So a lot of scalpers do stick to the NASDAQ, and they don't even look at NYSE stocks. I've noticed that a lot of NYSE stocks have great patterns on it, and they do work. This one just didn't, and so we took a stop. And you have to take your stops. We only lost a few cents there. That's nothing. I think we took down well over $1 today out of the market, and we lost 7 cents. That's not bad. We can live with that. So just to be a lesson to you, normally I would have gotten out a long time ago. Number one, if you get into a trade on time, then chances are it'll work out. Once, it normally takes a whole lot of reverse action to actually make your trade not work if you have a proper trade in the first place. And this GGP may eventually work out, but you know, we don't have time, nor do we have dollars to just play and guess and hope and all that good stuff. So we're out of there. You may see this stock well below where we got in short today, and it may even hit our target and go below it. That's not even important. I think we had maybe, what, 6-7 trades today, and they all produced. They're well over 7 cents. I think all of them produced at least somewhere around 15 to 30 something cents a piece. So that's the game. You must lose to win. And in a thing like a GGP that took so long to get moving, you would normally just get out after a certain time period, because it triggered here at 11:40, and it didn't fail until an hour later. No. Normally, anything past 20 minutes, maybe 30 minutes if you want to stretch it, and if it's not even near your exit, if it gets near your exit, you can go ahead and move your stop to your break-even point. If it doesn't even come near your exit, you can just get out, because you know, you're chasing the stocks that move immediately or close to immediately, and there's a lot of them, and this isn't one of them. So I just went on and finished this out as an example. You know, as a dedicated trader, you can even keep such a stock and hold on to it and still come out on top in the end with your losses. But after 20 or 30 minutes, you can even cut out such a loss, and then you'll improve your bottom line, because you know, you've cut out a loss type trade. Now you're also going to cut out a handful of winners, but that's okay. You really are searching for the big man in the whole picture. And obviously the big man was not with GGP immediately. Who knows if he'll show back up? We have no idea. But the stock consolidated for well over, what, 30, 40 minutes, and then broke down and then couldn't go anywhere. Not good. Anyway, that's been a lesson for today, and a live trade with a stop loss. Have a good one, traders. Oh, and if you need some hands-on mentorship and would like to join our trading room, just contact me here at Stop Outside at the YouTube address, and we'll put something together for you. Good to talk to you. Have a good one.